You're actively losing high volume corporate orders and competitors are getting ahead because you're not implementing business pricing. It takes 5 minutes and I'm going to show you how to do it. So of course you might be on a standard account, but you need to make sure you're on a professional plan and you're registered for Amazon's business program, right? You can all do that in Seller Central, but what I'm going to be showing you in this video is actually how to update the B2B business price, right? So what you're going to do is log into Amazon Seller Central and you're going to go to your inventory. You're going to scroll all the way to your right and you're going to click this little cog icon and click business price. Make sure that's checked on, click save changes, and then you're going to see business price. If you don't see business price, that means that you don't have it enabled. You can always reach out to Seller Central or Seller Help. Now you're going to click on business price right here. And what you want to do is you want to try to offer a minimum of 3% business discount to unlock FBA and referral fee discounts on eligible ASINs. And you're going to get this special blue badge saving. So you're going to get a lot of benefits. What they want is Amazon wants more business buyers because business buyers spend more money and return less because they're doing bulk orders, right? So I need to lower my price just for businesses to at least $94.99 in order to get eligible for this business savings blue badge, which could potentially increase sales. But the biggest thing is just giving some type of discount. So right now this product is selling for $99 and we're just giving a 50-cent discount. So we're just doing $99.50, or you could do even lower depending on what you want. But the biggest thing that we've seen isn't the business price discount, right? You want to give a discount, but it's going to be the quantity discounts. This is where you want to spend your time and energy because you want these B2B buyers to buy in bulk. So if you can do this strategically, this is what matters. So if they buy 2, you can give them a discount. If they buy 5, a bigger discount, and so on. So you can give a multi-level discount where you're going to see buyers that are B2B buyers buying 10 at a time. And that's because they want that $10 off per item discount that you're giving them. And as long as you're still making money at the end of the day, it could be a total win because a lot of these sellers do not actually return the item, right? And this is how it looks like if you are a business buyer. It's going to say business price and it only shows up for business buyers. The regular buyers cannot see it at all, right? So it's going to look like this. Regular buyers, $29 on the left and then $27 on the right for business buyers. And then that tier pricing discount, that's pretty much key. That's what really matters. So, right, you can give them some type of discount. It doesn't have to be that much, maybe like $1, right? But the tier pricing is really where it's at because you want high volume. And it even says on Amazon's website that business customers buy 74 more units per order and they return 42% fewer items than B2C customers. So they're going to be buying more and they're going to be returning less. And that's the customers that you want at the end of the day, right? So make sure you set that up properly. Make sure you have everything there. They even have an FAQ there where they can go through what it's about. But my recommendation, if you're worried, just go on, enroll, and then just do a 50-cent discount off your price and then just do some tier discounts, right? Just like 5. You can do a crazy number, like they buy 15, then you'll give them a 10% discount. Something where you're like, you feel good about it, right? But you want to have that tier discount in place, click save changes, and then you're good to go. Nothing crazy. You will get business orders, especially if you double down on the tier pricing discount. So go ahead and do that. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full account management, where we're going to be making sure you're running all of your discounts on your products that are possible. You're getting as many sales. We're also going to be doing your design, removing counterfeits, customer service, SEO, and much, much more to make sure you succeed on Amazon. Feel free to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.